Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by grabbing 0000 steel wool and a lubricant. This is the only way that won't ruin chrome. First, clean the area thoroughly so grit won't act like sandpaper. Once done, tape off adjacent surfaces to protect paint and plastics. Then apply lubricant liberally so the wool glides. You will feel resistance drop. Work a small, inconspicuous patch first so you judge pressure. Use gentle, even strokes along contours, not across curves, to follow chrome grain and avoid gouges. Once you've proven the method on a test spot, continue systematically across the piece. You will keep the wool saturated so it removes tarnish without abrading metal. Reapply lubricant as needed. Use light, consistent pressure and short strokes along the length of the chrome to blend scratches and oxidation. Make sure to rotate and refresh the wool when it loads with debris. Periodically wipe with a clean microfiber to inspect progress. This prevents overworking and helps you judge when to stop. You finish by removing all residue and applying a metal polish to restore shine. Buff with a clean microfiber cloth until it reflects. Once done, rinse and apply a protective wax or sealant to slow retarnish. If you still see deep gouges after the 0000 wool step, don't keep scrubbing. Those require professional repair or replating, not more abrasive work. If hazing appears, rewash and repeat gentle polishing. Maintain patience and inspect under good light to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.